What if your journey to home took 10 long years? And what if every step forward was blocked by danger, temptation, and uncertainty? Today we explore one of the greatest adventure stories ever written, the Odyssey by Homer. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will explore the key ideas of the Odyssey, an epic poem that teaches us about life, struggle, and perseverance. This is not just a story of travel, it is a story about growth, intelligence, and the human spirit. Homer was an ancient Greek poet believed to have lived around 8th century before Christ. He is considered one of the greatest storytellers in history and is traditionally credited with writing the Iliad and the Odyssey, the greatest poems. His works have influenced literature and storytelling for thousands of years. The Odyssey tells the story of the Greek hero Odysseus, who is trying to return home after the Trojan War. But this journey is not easy. It takes 10 years and filled with challenges, dangers, and obstacles. The central idea of the book is the journey of a man who struggles, learns, and grows on his way back home. The first key idea of this poem is the power of perseverance. Odysseus faced many difficulties, from storms to enemies and magical creatures, but he never gives up. This teaches us the persistence is key to success. Even when the journey is long and difficult, we must keep moving forward. The second key idea of this poem is intelligence over strength. Odysseus is not just a warrior, but also he is a thinker. He survives not because of power, but because of his intelligence and cleverness. This shows that wisdom can be stronger than physical strength. The third key idea of this poem is the importance of home and family. Throughout the story, his main goal is to return to his home and family. This reminds us that no matter how far we travel, home is where we truly belong. The fourth key idea of this poem is temptation and self-control. During his journey, Odysseus faced many temptations. Some delay his return, but others create danger. This teaches us that lack of self-control can lead to failure. Fifth key idea of this poem is about fate and the will of the gods. The gods play an important role in this story. Sometimes they help him and sometimes they create obstacles. This shows that life is not always in our control. The fourth key idea is about loyalty and faithfulness. While Odysseus struggles to return home, his wife remains loyal and faithful to him. This highlights the importance of trust and commitment in relationships. The seventh key idea of this poem is growth through struggle. By the end of his journey, Odysseus is no longer the same person. He becomes wiser, more patient, and more thoughtful. This shows that challenges help us grow. So basically, the Odyssey is one of the greatest stories ever written. It teaches us important lessons about patience, resilience, and intelligence. Even today, its message is still relevant in our lives. It reminds us that life itself is a journey, and every challenge helps to shape who we become. So what is the final lesson? Life is a long journey full of challenges. This is a final lesson that life is a long journey full of challenges, but with patience, intelligence, and determination, we can reach our destination. The Odyssey is not just about returning home, it is about becoming a better person along the way. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what is the biggest challenge you have faced in your journey.